Farmers, my name is Ann Dinda from Aquab Kenya, and today we have a pump. This pump is PKM60. It's a petrol pump, and it is a 0.37 kilowatt and with a flow rate of 2.4 cubic per hour at head of 40 meters. And on this side I have a controller. It's called a Suppress S controller, and so today I will be showing you how these two items work together to give you the best. So this is the controller. The controller looks like this inside there. So this controller acts like it's the brain of the system, the pump and the main distribution system. So this controller is connected to the pump, and it controls everything that happens in the whole system. So the pump, we have an inlet and outlet. The inlet, it is where the water comes from the source. Let's say it's a tank, and the outlet, it's where the water flows through all the way to maybe the tap or where you like your water to be. So let me take you through how these two items, the controller and the pump, work together. So the controller here, as I told you, it works like it is the brain of the whole system. So when you turn on the tap, the pressure in the system drops. Once the pressure drops, the sensors in this timer sense a pressure drop, and they automatically turn the pump on. When the pump is on, it draws the water from the source, and the water continues to flow throughout the system. And for as long as the water is flowing through the system, the controller now plays the work of stabilizing the pressure throughout the system. Once you turn off your tap, the pressure starts to build in the system, and once the sensor here, the pressure sensor in this timer senses build-up of pressure, it immediately turns off the pump from operating. So that is ideally how these two work together. The one is this timer works basically by monitoring the water flow and water pressure, and so it is able to protect your pump from something called dry run. Dry run, it's whereby your pump is running, but there's no water that is running throughout the system, or there's no water that is drawing. That is called dry run. So the controller protects your pump from having something called a dry run. Number two, it protects your pump from something called overcurrent. Too much of electricity flowing through your pump and damaging your pump. Another thing, the controller here helps your pump from something called anti-jam. Anti-jam, it's where your pump has not run for like a period of time, and therefore it can face the challenge of mechanical breakdown. So periodically, when the sensor notices that the pump has not been running for quite some time, it periodically turns on the pump so that it prevents it from having some mechanical breakdown. And so at Aquab Kenya, we have both the pumps and the timers or the controllers. And so if you're looking for the controller or the pump, you can reach out to Aquab Kenya on 0790 719 020 or visit our website www.aquabkenya.co.ke. Thank you.